Stop doing manual work. The future of earning is not in hustle. It's in automation. Welcome to Finotix. We're giving you the blueprint for wealth. Top 10 AI tools to launch a high-margin AI automation agency. This is the new blueprint for wealth, launching a high-margin $250,000 AI automation agency in 2026. Most businesses waste thousands of dollars on repetitive tasks, data entry, social posts, lead filtering. Your high-income opportunity is to fix that. We've broken down the top 10 tools, but 3 are non-negotiable foundations for success. First, the engine. That's Zapier. It's no longer just a connector. With AI agents, Zapier can now perform intelligent actions, like automatically scoring a lead, classifying an email, and updating your client's CRM. Zapier is the essential infrastructure that integrates everything for your client's automated systems. Second, the brain. You need ChatGPT and Claude. These are your intelligence layers for deep analysis and rapid content creation. Claude is superior for analyzing long-form financial documents and deep reports, ensuring the quality of the service you sell. ChatGPT is your rapid prototyping, content drafting genius. This duo is essential for high-quality, scalable services. Third, the content machine. Use Descript and Midjourney. You can offer content repurposing as a high-value service. Descript automatically edits videos and podcasts, replacing entire video editing teams. Midjourney gives you commercial-grade visuals for client social media and ads, replacing entire design teams. The roadmap to 6 figures is simple. Productize your service. Don't charge hourly. Sell a fixed-price solution. This model, known as service arbitrage, means you build the system once and sell it to 10 clients. One successful automation job can save a client hundreds of hours a month, justifying high retainer fees. This justifies an easy retainer fee of $800 to $1,200 monthly. The opportunity is here, but you need the complete integration roadmap for all 10 tools to build a truly robust agency. That's how you scale to over $250,000 as a solo AI operator with this model.